Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll take a look at situations involving a charitable cash contribution of $250 or more. If a cash contribution is made for $250 or more, the taxpayer must maintain an acknowledgement from the qualifying organization or the payroll deduction records which reflect the contribution. This rule applies to any single contribution of $250 or more. If a taxpayer gave $150 to a public broadcasting station at the beginning of the year, and then a few months later gave them an additional gift of $125, the two gifts are considered two separate contributions and would not be subject to the $250 rule. The acknowledgement that is kept must meet certain requirements. It must be written. It must include the date and amount contributed. It must note whether the organization gave any goods or services as a result of the contribution, as well as their value, if any. And if applicable, a statement that the only benefit received was an intangible religious benefit should also be included. In some cases, these acknowledgments may be missing some piece of information that the taxpayer needs. If that is the case, a bank record or receipt containing additional supporting evidence must be kept as well.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.